Hi, welcome back to my channel. This is going to be part 2 of my video on the topic how to prepare quick and easy and under $15 enchilada meal for your family. Again, I have the sauce and it's combined with 2 different types of sauces to make it very tasty. I have my ground beef already browned up, and also I've removed the fat from the ground beef. I have at this time cut up my lettuce and tomatoes and have them ready so I can make a salad. And again, I'm going to have the pink lemonade with my meal. I've prepared brownies as well to go with the meal. And I'm getting ready right now to prepare 2 pans, separate pans, one for cheese enchilada and the other for beef enchiladas. For those people who only like the cheese enchiladas, I'll have a pan there and I'll have the instructions and ingredients below the video. So make sure you check that out. Make sure you like, subscribe, and share this video. And I'll have a picture available for you. So again, this is a very quick and easy meal to prepare for your family. No worries. You don't have to stress out about it. And the salad, you just need your favorite toppings or salad dressing, Thousand Island, ranch, blue cheese, whatever you like. I tend to have all on hand, but again, it's about the enchilada meal, and you can make everything for under $15. If you have any suggestions, please post them below. And I'll see you in my next video. Thank you.